you speak English, sometimes people may laugh. If you do not speak English, some people may still criticize you. So, focus on your growth. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic, how to speak English without fear. Many people understand English. Many people know grammar also. But when they try to speak, they become nervous. Has this ever happened to you? You want to say something in English, but suddenly your mind becomes blank. You start thinking, what if I make mistakes? What if people laugh at me? What if my grammar is wrong? And because of these thoughts, we stop speaking. I also experienced this problem. When I started learning English, I was not confident enough. I used to think too much before speaking. Sometimes I knew the answer, but I still stayed quiet because of fear. But slowly I realized one thing. Fear decreases only when we practice. There is no magical trick. The more you speak, the more confident you become. So today I will share some important tips that really helped me. First, start speaking simple English. Many learners try to use difficult vocabulary and complicated grammar, but honestly, that is not necessary. Simple English is powerful. For example, instead of saying I am extremely exhausted, you can say I am very tired. Instead of saying difficult words, focus on speaking clearly. Even small sentences are enough in the beginning. For example, I am cooking food. I am going outside. I like this weather. I am watching a movie. These simple sentences slowly build confidence. Second, stop trying to be perfect. This is one of the biggest mistakes. Many learners think, I will speak only when my grammar becomes perfect. But honestly, no language learner becomes perfect first and speaks later. We learn while speaking. Even fluent people make mistakes sometimes. So please don't stop yourself because of your small mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning and improving. Third, practice speaking daily. Even 10 minutes daily can improve your confidence. You can speak in front of a mirror, record a video, talk to yourself or describe your daily activities in English. For example, now I am making tea, I am cleaning my room, I am preparing dinner. These daily practice trains your brain. Fourth, listen to English every single day. Listening is really very important. When you listen regularly, your pronunciation improves naturally. You also learn sentence structure as well, vocabulary, speaking rhythm, and confidence. You do not need difficult content. Start with simple English videos. Listen carefully to how people pronounce words and then repeat these sentences loudly after them. Do not compare yourself with others. Nowadays, social media makes people feel insecure. You may see fluent speakers online and feel discouraged. But remember, everyone starts somewhere. Even fluent English speakers were beginners once. Instead of comparing yourself with others, compare yourself with your old version and ask yourself, am I better than last month? Am I more confident than before? This is real progress. Sixth, try to think in English slowly. This takes time and creates confusion as well. Try to think directly in English. Start with very small thoughts. For example, I am hungry. I need water. I have to finish my work. Slowly your brain will adapt. And finally, do not fear judgment. People may judge you no matter what you do. If you speak English, sometimes people may laugh. If you do not speak English, some people may still criticize you. So, focus on your growth. Your goal is improvement, not perfection. And honestly, most successful people were once beginners. Then they improved because they kept on practicing. Confidence doesn't come overnight. It comes from repetition. The more you practice, the more natural English becomes. One more important thing, celebrate small improvements. Maybe today you spoke only 2 sentences confidently. That is still a progress. Maybe today your pronunciation improved slowly. That is also a progress. Small daily improvements creates big results in the future. And please remember, learning English is not a race. Take your time, enjoy the process, learn patiently, speak patiently, improve patiently. You do not need expensive courses to start speaking English. You only need consistency, confidence, and daily practice. So, from today, promise yourself one thing: I will practice English daily without fear. Even if you make mistakes, continue speaking, because every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Humming Space.